How to use Artlist.io. Now in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to get started and use Artlist.io. But first, Artlist.io is just a general AI video generator or image generator, voiceover, music, and so on and so forth. And they are also in partnership with 11 Labs, Lyra, ChatGPT, Cdance, Kling, Neo, and so on and so forth. This application right here is totally free. However, there is a certain amount of points or tokens that you can only use per day. But if you would like to maximize the full function of this application here is you can go into Start Free Now, and from there you will need to log in with your Google account or any applications available to sync with Artlist.io. Now, so what it's saying here that it does not need a credit or credit card required, but if you will again maximize the use of this AI platform right here, then you're gonna have to purchase a certain amount of points or tokens for you to use it infinitely. So to get started is you can go into AI video and then you can choose whatever prompt you have in mind, like dubbing, image to video, text to video, or video to video, and as well as onto the AI image. So those are the things that you can do to get started and use Artlist.io.